you're watching this video, then you're here to see a behind the scenes look at the Roadmap 3.0 before you buy. But before we dive in, I just want to address the most frequently asked question I get. Yes, the course is $497, but you can also pay in monthly installments as well. If you do that, you can still resell the course. The answer is yes, and I'll elaborate at the end as to how when we get to that module in this video. So here we go. The Roadmap 3.0 is 334 lessons with over 33 hours of content, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and log in. Once you purchase the course and log in, you'll see your library. This will show all of the products you have access to. Products is just another name for courses. And here, no matter who you buy from, you'll get the English version of the Roadmap 3.0, as well as the community, and the Spanish version of the course, as well as the Spanish community. So let's dive into the course. As you can see, I'm only 40% complete, and that's actually very important. Roadmap 1.0 launched in February of 2023, and then in November, when they wanted to update to 2.0, they actually replaced all of the videos, so it was necessary that you completed them all. But Roadmap 3.0 did not replace all the videos from 2.0, it simply added them. So you'll see a lot of people that are selling it probably not make it through the whole course because they took all of 2.0 and just wanted to catch up on the new updates. Now, before we dive into the course, I realize a lot of you are here because you think this might still be a scam. Well, to prove that it's not, let's just watch a little of the opening video from the creator herself, Hannah Pippins.
Hi, you guys. Welcome to Roadmap 3.0. My name is Hannah, and I'm the co-creator of the Roadmap along with my husband, Zach. We created this course back in January of 2023 and hard launched it on February 18th of 2023. And it's crazy to see where it is today. We are on our third iteration of this product, and it's because of the community that we keep adding to it and changing it and updating it to make sure that it's the best course it can possibly be for you guys to help you grow and sustain the business of your dreams.
Thanks, Hannah. Let's head back to the course. Now, when you're inside the course, you'll see all the videos laid out Netflix style. But for the sake of this walkthrough, I'd rather show you the list of modules. So we'll click to the left and view all of the modules. Now, the first thing you'll see is how you can get support, how you can bring other people into the roadmap, and how to find and access the community. Next, you'll find the course is split into 5 different sections: your foundation, your automation, driving your traffic, building your offer, and scaling your business with customer service. Like I said, this contains over 33 hours of content, so let's dive in. Starting with Introduction to Roadmap 3.0, the first 2 modules will introduce you to the course and how it really capitalizes on everything offered. You'll learn how to navigate the course and how to sell it. And this is where the price comes in. You can either sell access to this course, where your customers will be added to the original Roadmap community of over 35,000 people and growing, or you can download all the files and form your own community. If you pay $497, you can choose either one of these. If you pay monthly, you can only sell access to the original course and community and can't download any files until you've paid in full. But honestly, you don't need to download anything, in my opinion. When I sell it, I give my customers access to the original community, and I find that much more valuable. The next 5 modules in Stage 1 cover a foundation in digital marketing. Module 1 will introduce you to the digital marketing world. Module 2 will teach you how to identify your niche, or what specific part of the market you'll be marketing in. Module 3 will teach you the basics of building a business and hold your hand through the vital steps young businesses need to take to build for the future. Module 4 will help you turn that vision of a business into a real solid plan that you can execute on. And Module 5 is branding, or rather, the fun stuff. Not only is it extremely in-depth in teaching you how to build a branding plan that you didn't even know you needed, but you get to really dive into how to express yourself in your business with things like colors, logos, names, voice, and how to identify your ideal customer. Next comes the meat of the course. Okay, in Stage 2, Module 6 is an introduction to business automation, which will teach you how to collect payment and sell any digital product online. Now, if you're hoping to resell this course, those modules use Roadmap as an example. So it's literally a step-by-step guide on how to sell the course, but you can apply it to any product or service in your business. Now, whether you're reselling the Roadmap or your own course, the Roadmap 3.0 teaches you 3 different methods to set up your entire system, and they literally walk you through every click. You can choose StanStore, a custom System.io setup, or a pre-built System.io setup. Then in modules 10 to 12, you'll master email marketing and stand on the shoulders of email giants who came before you. This module makes sure that when people see your email, they're going to be more likely to buy from you than to mark it as spam. Then, I have to say, I'm biased, but stage 3 is my absolute favorite. It's content creation and affiliate marketing. You'll learn how to master TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and blogging all in one place. And if you're hoping to utilize these skills for affiliate marketing, that section at the bottom wraps it all together. Plus, many of these are great to learn how to do faceless digital marketing, but check this out. This Instagram training is worth $500 on its own. Look at this. Introduction, creating your account, optimizing your bio, basic features, what to do before your post, creating a reel. Look, all of these different sections. Incredible. And many of these sections are built out this way as well. Then in stage 4, we start to build our product and offer. We identify our pricing. We lock in our brand with Canva. Then we learn how to create written and video digital products, but also how to host them on School and the Kajabi platforms. And lastly, you'll learn how to scale and, of course, download all of the modules if you choose to. Now, as you can see, the Roadmap 3.0 has everything from A to Z on creating, growing, marketing, and thriving in your online business. If you'd like to buy the course and finally take the step to becoming financially free, click the link below to get started. If you're not quite ready, I'd be happy to stay around and answer some of the most common questions I get. First, can I resell the Roadmap if I purchase the monthly plan? Yes, you can resell it after making your first monthly payment, just like I did. Does the course teach affiliate marketing? Yes. The only difference between affiliate and digital marketing is that in affiliate marketing, you're selling somebody else's course for a commission. In digital marketing, you sell your own course for 100% profit. This course teaches you everything from what affiliate marketing is, to how to identify products to promote, and how to generate traffic for those products. Will the course teach you how to sell the course? Yes, it will. In the first modules teaching you how to set up System.io and StanStore, they use the Roadmap as the example. So following these modules closely will serve you well. Can I get a refund of this course? No. There is a strict no refund policy for this course because it can be consumed quickly and or downloaded almost immediately. If you have any other questions that I did not answer, please either comment them below or DM me on TikTok or Instagram and I'll answer you immediately if I can. So if you're ready to take the leap and change your life, use the link below to purchase the Roadmap. I'll see you inside.